Hi everyone, welcome back to Focal Academy. So in this problem, in this video we are going to solve how to convert cylindrical coordinates to rectangular coordinates. Here given two problems are given which was in cylindrical coordinates. Now convert this into rectangular coordinates. So in these two problems, I am going to solve the first problem, second one is for you. Please comment your answer for the second one by following the procedure of first problem. So let's see here how to solve this problem. First of all, how the rectangle coordinates and cylindrical coordinates are represented. So here rectangle coordinates are represented as x comma y comma z, where cylindrical are rho comma phi comma z. So this is rho and this is phi and this is z. Now what is the relation between rectangle to cylindrical? So if you know the relation, then we can easily find x value, y value, z value. We know that x can be represented as rho into cos phi and y can be written as rho into sin pi, where z is z only. So here z is 3, so here z is 3 only, and x equal to, so rho value is 2, that is 2 into cos of and pi is 5 by 6, and here y equal to rho is 2 sin of and pi is 5 by 6. By simplifying this, we'll get x equal to minus 1.732 and y we got 1 and z is nothing but 3. So x comma y comma z, that is rectangle coordinates, that's be equal to minus of 1.732 comma 1 comma 3. So this is the rectangle coordinates for the given cylindrical coordinates. Comment your answer for second problem, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.